Hi, I'm Scott. I just thought I'd show you the current state of the bird project. Um, Here you can see a sort of skeletal version of a bird. It's got not much to it. It's got a Arduino Pro Micro, which is like a Leonardo, on there, and that is controlling 3 servos, which are up here in the head. And then over here I have my Walter armature. So it's attached to an old PC joystick here, and then it's got Lego Technic, and then some focus. There we go. It's got some potentiometers that are attached into the Technic, so you can see it can capture a whole bunch of degrees of freedom here. And then this has just an old Arduino NG actually. That may go 168 on there. And then that goes into this program, this Python program, which reads from one and sends it out to the other. So I have to calibrate it first just by moving it all around. And it still needs quite a lot of work, but so I can tilt up and down by doing this right now. And then I can open and close the mouth. You can probably hear the servos. And then turn the head. So I can see I can turn the head back and forth and open the mouth. Ah! Ah! And you can look up and look down. So it's not the smoothest, but it kind of works. So you can see there, just a little bit. So, there you go. That's just the basics of it right now. Knowing how slow these servos are moving, and how noisy they are. They're pretty noisy. I'm probably going to rethink the idea of using servos to control the thing. Oh, and I do have it throttled up, the update. Like a tenth of a second, which is why it is a little jumpy. So, some better firmware to make it smoother would probably be worthwhile as well. So, there you go. Bye! Have a good one.